Has anybody checked down here?
Yeah. No. Oh, yeah.
You're right though, mate.
Oh, you just bent my knee backwards.
Lucky come.
Don't. I was actually expecting you to do it, but I don't want you to.
It's alright, it's only shooting 75. It is Lee Stag.
Is it?
Yeah. Got any way out there?
What, 70 feet per second?
The stag has no way out. Let's bum him.
Let's go. I would go in there, but there's literally just a shotgun barrel aiming at you as soon as you walk in.
Oh, is that it?
Wait, is he Airsoft?
Yeah, they're in.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I got call it because you got me.
Oh,
you dick!
sorry, mate.
That was such good cover.
Sorry, mate.
Nah, you get your ass over it. You pick it up. I don't want to get shot.
Pick it up yourself.
Ow, hit. You're a dick. You're a dick. Just collecting light.
Come on, boys, get in there. Dog pile.
Who wants to fucking go light? Let's go. Who? Super chimp and super chimp. I've missed again.
Two always works better than one.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking seriously.
Fuck yeah. See,
When in Rome.
We're a little bit far away from Rome.
Yeah.
To Excelsior! Whoa. Stop being happy. I've already shot near you anyway. Is mine working? Yes. What is that? PPQ.
Oh. That's fucking accurate.
Thank you.
1 minute. Get in that corner over there. Get in that corner there. No, it's definitely not clear yet.
They're lined up on the wall.
Marshall. Andy. Andy. Andy.
I'm out. He's on that side. How well? Oh, hello. Oh, I've broken my mag. Shit.
They should be in there. Ordinarily, we say fair game. There's a lot of glass windows and glass windows.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Ah, magic! Ah! Carl, tell my mother I love her. tell little Timmy I'm not coming home this Christmas. Do it, Carl. Do it. No. Tell Billy Bob I'm not coming home. Your name's not even Carl, your name's Chris, isn't it? What was your name again? Bob. Bob. Die, you rat bastard! You NATO bastards! You imperial scum! Magic! Magic! Tell my wife she wasn't the best. The girl back at the Hooters was better. She got kinky. Magic. Hang on. I don't even know if it's been 5 minutes yet. It's been 3 minutes. Shut up, Carl! Just shut up! We're not gonna row your boat anywhere. We're dead. Hang on. Let's make this even cooler. A Spartan never dies alone.
I'm with you, brother.
I'm with you. We're doing this. It will be you first, bro. I'm sorry, it's gotta happen. A Spartan dies with his brothers.
I need help.
You need help? Fucking help.
It's nice looking up.